Welcome to Financial Buzz Market Weekly. I'm RK Walker here at the New York Stock Exchange bringing you a review of this week's stock market. On Monday, China's stock market was back in the news with the Shanghai Composite dropping nearly 8.5%, its largest one-day loss since 2007. This, along with China's weakening economy, caused U.S. investors to worry that China's slowdown could spread to the rest of the globe. Also on Monday, durable goods orders for June were up 3.4%, slightly higher than expected and much better than the prior month's 2.1% decline. Stocks closed today strongly down with the Dow Industrials losing almost 127 points. On Tuesday, China's stock market stabilized, ending the day down 1.7%, easing downward pressure on U.S. markets. The Case-Shiller home price index for May was down 0.2%, surprisingly weak. However, markets rallied strongly, ending the day with the Dow Industrials up almost 190 points. On Wednesday, the Federal Reserve concluded its meeting and kept rates unchanged. The statement the Fed released had very few changes from the previous meeting. However, economists still think the first rate hike in 9 years will occur this year. The pending home sales index fell 1.8% in June after rising 0.6% in May. Markets closed the day with a solid rally with the Dow Industrials up 121 points. On Thursday, the second quarter GDP was released, showing an increase of 2.3% compared to the first quarter's 0.6% gain. Jobless claims for the week ending July 25th were 267,000, still considered very good, however up from the previous week's 42-year low of 255,000. On Friday, the employment cost index for the second quarter rose 0.2%, the smallest increase in 33 years and below expectations, pointing to little wage pressure and perhaps delaying the Fed's desire to raise rates. Markets opened mixed on the news. Now let's take a look at some stocks. Teva Pharmaceuticals and Allergan plc both hit new 52-week highs this week after Teva agreed to purchase Allergan's generic drug business for $40.5 billion. The combined company is projected to have revenue of approximately $26 billion, earnings of $9.5 billion, and experience a tax savings of $1.4 billion. Fiat Chrysler Automobiles shares dropped 4% Monday to $14.54 after the car manufacturer received a record fine of $105 million from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration due to violations of the Motor Vehicle Safety Act. The fine includes a $70 million cash payment, $20 million more to improve Fiat Chrysler's recall process, and additional $15 million payable if further violations are discovered. McGraw-Hill Financial Inc. shares plummeted on Monday before beginning a slight rebound mid-Tuesday after the company announced it has agreed to buy SNL Financial LC for $2.2 billion. McGraw-Hill Financial says the transaction will further develop and expand their data and analytics services. The acquisition is expected to close by the upcoming third quarter. Nike stock rallied this week after the company settled a lawsuit regarding the Nike Fuel Band, claiming that the fitness tracker cannot accurately track user steps and calories. Nike has agreed to give partial refunds or gift cards to consumers who have bought the Fuel Band within the past 3.5 years. Further contributing to Nike's rally was a price target increase from 122 to 129 by analysts at Jefferies. This is Financial Buzz Market Weekly. I'm RK Walker, and I'll see you again next week.